Justice Madan Lokur, we contacted, ex-judge of the Supreme Court. He sent us his detailed view on why this law, the UP ordinance, fails the legal and constitutional test. This is what he told us. He said firstly that he is not supporting forcible or fraudulent conversions. He is against that. But he is against penalizing voluntary conversions. He says the UP law is hopelessly arbitrary and prone to abuse. He says the law is against the freedom of choice and privacy, against the freedom to practice any religion, against dignity. He said it's one of the strangest legislations that I've ever seen, and that it will require a miracle to uphold its constitutional validity. He also point by point explained why the specific clauses of the law lead him to this conclusion. For instance, the law says that marriage done for the sole purpose of unlawful conversion shall be cancelled. Lokur says, how can a marriage be performed for an unlawful conversion? I can understand an unlawful conversion for marriage, but not the other way around. And he says conversion even after marriage makes the conversion void. So if a married woman converts herself to another religion, the marriage becomes void. And the children of the otherwise happily married couple become illegitimate straight away. The law places the burden of proof on the person who caused the conversion. Lokur says, how can they prove anything? They aren't judges. The law says that a declaration has to be sent to the district magistrate after conversion, which the DM will put up on a notice board. Lokur asks, what is the purpose of a notice after conversion? If an IPC crime is committed, no notice is put up about a crime. What is so special about conversion that it should be put up for public information? The law says any aggrieved person or their relatives may lodge an FIR. Lokur says an aggrieved person is not defined, so anybody can say that he or she is aggrieved. The UP law defines allurement in a very broad sense. It includes offer of any temptation in the form of gifts, material benefits, employment, free education, better lifestyle, divine displeasure. Lokur says the definition of allurement is very vague or very broad. Taking a young lady or a young man out for dinner could amount to allurement. The law says that conversion is illegal, but reconversion to the immediate previous religion is not illegal. Lokur says this is introducing unique jurisprudence. If you go through a red light, it's an offense. But if you stop at a green light, your earlier offense gets wiped out. Very strange law, he says. The law has no provisions for appeal, which Justice Madan Lokur finds surprising. He says the law doesn't provide any appeal against any decision of the police, magistrate or family court. The person will have to go to the High Court.